Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Wildcat Maxx from Forest River, model 313MBX. It's a bunkhouse, fifth wheel, 3 slides, full of surprises. Let's kind of point some things out here. See the new fiberglass caps. They're actual molded fiberglass. They're not going to shrink, contract, and crack, and that sort of thing. Also, we have auto level. Get our jack controls, docking lights right up front here, ground control hitch. LED lights throughout, you notice some built into the cap as well. The thicker sidewalls, like our Montanas, these are an all-season travel trailer. The thicker walls just gives you more insulation, and it really reduces the chance of any kind of delamination. Outside cooking station here features a gas grill. Great place to put all your condiments here, like the ketchup and stuff, so you're not running back and forth. And oh, there's our solar plug and play right there. Power awning with a light rope behind it. See the little opera light up above? We'll get a better look at that once we're inside. Nice thing about those LED lights too, they don't attract the bugs to your campsite. Lots of windows in here, so you can really soak up that RV view, and there's extra storage. Look at this. Bonus room. Even the doors are thicker, full 1 inch thick. Let's check out the inside. Walk-on roof, built-in ladder, solid steps, and look how thick it is. This top step, super wide, which is great for safety. Coming in and out of here, you don't have to worry about maybe falling down, skinning your knees up. Looky here. How do you like this? They've combined some of the best ofs, a lot of different elements here, but we've got big old pantry here. Center island. They got these solid surface countertops, but they're a lighter material and they're not nearly as fragile as like imitation marble. Storage down below. There's a built-in waste can here for the table scraps. Our stove, 3-burner stove, Furion oven, Furion microwave. We've got the Everchill refrigerator freezer combination. Hope I do that right. These work on electric only. Yep, all new technology. Silverware drawers, big flat panel TV with a Furion receiver right below, and then there's our electric fireplace underneath, and a big U-shaped dinette, so everybody can see the TV. Everybody has a comfortable place to sit. We've got several different types of light features in here, as well as skylights, glass panel cabinets, hidden hinges throughout. More glass panel cabinetry up above. A bunk room. Yep, check it out. We got a couple bunks here. Each one of these has its own light. It's got its own window on the upper bunk, and there's the room down below here. This can be a sofa, or you can lift this up if you just want it to be like a gaming area. Say they set the TV up over here. There's room for a big TV, as you can see too. And then we got pantry storage, built-in dresser, got plug-ins and USB plus our cable plug-in here. And let's walk up the stairway here. Our one control, this is the new digital touchpad to control everything. We've got some light control here and our thermostat. Another bunk room. Yep, it's got a loft with USB chargers and a plug-in and its own window and light. And these are really nice. They're for a thin mattress. There's about as good as you can get these teddy bear mattresses. Here's a built-in ladder. Bathroom here on the left. All-in-one. Giant shower. Foot flush toilet. See how our shower curtain just rolls on into the construction of this thing. It's got a fantastic fan overhead skylight. Room for linens. And of course, medicine cabinet. Our sink. And then there's that opera window I was telling you about earlier. Glass panel door to the bedroom, and we walk inside, and here we go. What's missing, right? Well, a lot of times you'll have a sideways bed, and that's all closet. What they've done here is made a bed that's super easy to make and get into, so you don't have these wardrobes coming way out. Smaller nightstands, a couple different types of lights, charger for your phones, smart devices, plus the wardrobe, which is over here. See how it kind of combines, it shares. with the bathroom there for the linen storage too. Real neat floor plan. It's right here in Coos Bay at Gibbs RV, 1845 Ocean Boulevard in Coos Bay. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com, and check out this 313 MBX Wildcat.